Hello everybody and welcome to Vlogmas number 5. I ran out of ideas, so there was a gap of 2 days. So today I'm going to show you how I put on my early 1700s underwear. Underwear today, as you think of it, as a little piece of fabric that you pull on, and your bra or your singlet, is very much different to what underwear was in the early 1700s. You had your chemise layer, which is like a little white plain dress that women, and I think some men wore. Don't quote me, I haven't done a huge amount of study on the subject. And then there was the stays, which was the prelude to the corset, I guess. And then there was the petticoat and the stomacher, which could either match your outer gown or contrast, depending on how you felt. Most women had a couple of shifts, one, maybe 2 pairs of stays, and maybe 1 or 2 dresses. But the shift layer was the one that protected your more expensive fabrics from sweat and dirt, and that was the layer that got washed the most often. And so this is underwear. Now, for modesty's sake, I am wearing a modern bra and panties underneath all of this, but traditionally this was a layer that sat closest to your skin, and this layer was the one that touched your skin. There was no bras as we know it, and there was no panties as we know it. They didn't exist, or hadn't. I guess everything that I'm wearing evolves into what we now know as underwear, but this was the underwear layer. So let me show you how I put all of this on. put on my 1700s underwear. Come back tomorrow or another day for another Vlogmas video. I think we have a couple of guinea pig ones. I am making a dress to go over this gown out of the registered family tartan, the McEwen tartan, which is, I guess, the clan that my grandfather hails from. So, having some of that printed, very expensive, so I couldn't afford enough. So I'm hoping that I can piece together pieces to make it fit, or adjust the pattern to make it fit. And so we'll see you in another video. Bye.